Hello, hi everyone. This is Shrija. Welcome to Skinoreal, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm going to talk about top 5 moisturizers for oily skin that can be used during summers. So starting with my recommendation number 1, and that is Cosrx Hydrium Gel Cream. This one is a light green texture gel cream that is formulated with aloe, green tea extracts, and is so soothing and cooling on your skin. Literally, when you apply it, it just blends in immediately, but there's this immediate cooling sensation upon application, which I love. This is perfect for oily, acne prone skin, or if you have spent a lot of time out in the sun, this would really work to soothe and calm down your skin, along with dealing with any inflammation and breakouts that you might have. This is available on Beauty Ban India, and I know it's a little expensive, but if you're willing to invest in a very good summertime moisturizer and you have oily, acne prone skin, then give this one a try. The second moisturizer on my list is also from a Korean brand called Klairs. It's their Fundamental Gel Cream. Honestly, I was a little skeptical to try it out at first because I thought that maybe this will work better for dry skin type. But I am amazed by the texture. It has like a very gel and jelly-like texture. It is formulated with green tea and panthenol and is so soothing on your skin. This one is expensive, but then you get 70 grams as compared to other moisturizers where the standard size is 50 ml and you only need pea size if you have oily skin. So yes, this one is more cost effective as compared to the Cosrx one. This one again is available on Beauty Ban India and I highly recommend this. It is free from fragrance or any sort of essential oils, and if you have a very reactive, oily, acne prone skin, then give this one a try. It is beautiful. In fact, I'm a huge fan of Klairs Fundamental range. My friend gifted me their eye butter and I was really enjoying using that, but now it's over and I am not gonna spend money on eye creams, at least not for now, because I really don't need it. And yes, the mist was a bit disappointing, but overall I feel this is a very well formulated line for someone who cannot tolerate fragrance or too much unnecessary ingredients in skincare. So definitely, yes, highly recommend this moisturizer. But make sure when you're using these moisturizers, keep in mind that please apply them on damp skin, because one time I remember I don't know what happened. I think maybe I left my tub outside or something, and by the time I applied this fundamental gel, my skin was dry, and then it wasn't hydrating enough for me. So yeah, this is one thing that you need to be aware of. But otherwise, it's an excellent formula and I do highly recommend this. The third option in my list is Neemly Oats and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This one is rich in amino acids and barrier repairing ingredients. It also has vitamin C, not the ascorbic version, but another milder version of vitamin C. So overall, if you're someone who doesn't want to spend much on actives, you can just buy this all-in-one moisturizer. It is great for also repairing your skin barrier, and the texture is very lightweight. It gets absorbed immediately. For me, yes, it can be too much during the daytime. So whenever I've used this product, I have only used it at night because it can be bit much for me during summers. In winters, I can use it during daytime, but at summers, I prefer using it during nighttime, and it is again very soothing and healing on your skin. The next product on this list is again from a Korean brand. It's called Atto Palm Soothing Gel Lotion. This one is not free of essential oils or fragrance. However, if you can tolerate these ingredients in skincare, then it's a great option for you because it has some great ingredients like jojoba seed oil, grape seed oil, green tea extracts, lotus water extracts, and also chamomile extracts to calm down and soothe your skin. I recommend this product to a lot of my clients who cannot tolerate other heavy base moisturizer, but you need to be sure that you're not allergic to essential oils or fragrance in skincare, otherwise you might react badly to this product. The last product on my list is Arata Face Gel Serum. This is something that I tried out for you guys because I know whenever I post a recommendation video, I get a lot of comments saying that, ma'am, can you try something affordable? All these products are so expensive. And today I want to tell you that why why all my product recommendations are so expensive. The thing is, I'm not really comfortable recommending products that I haven't personally tried, because honestly, yes, you can see things online, read things online, but it is just not the same thing. And of course, I try my best to include as many products as I can into my skincare routine, but then even I have my own limitations. I have my own skin type, my skin needs. I really cannot try each and every product that you guys recommend to me, but definitely I have started keeping this affordability option in mind, and I'm trying out new products from Indian brands. So this Arata gel serum is very affordable. I think the cost is around 500 rupees, and it is formulated with aloe vera, licorice root extracts, and it just feels like gel on your skin. Do keep in mind that if you have compromised skin barrier, this might sting your skin because it has turmeric extracts, but otherwise, if you have a healthy skin barrier and you just are looking for a light affordable option, then this is a good product for you because it just sinks in immediately. So these were my top 5 picks that I have personally tried. There are other few options that I would like to mention, which I have not tried but comes under the affordable category, and I have spoken to other bloggers about it. I have also seen reviews online, so you might want to give them a try. Number 1 product is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. It is not free from fragrance. At least we don't get the fragrance-free version in India, so that is also a good product for oily skin. The second one is the Pond's Gel Cream. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of this product at all, because my friend was using it and it has so much fragrance, like literally a very overpowering fragrance, but she loves it because it hydrates and moisturizes her skin. So if you can tolerate very overwhelming fragrance in skincare and you don't have any fragrance allergy, you might want to give it a try, because that's a very affordable option. You get like a large tub for 300 rupees or something. And yes, apart from this moisturizers, I would also like to give a special mention to Blended Botanica Aloe Gel. If you have really oily skin and nothing is working for you, everything breaks you out, then do give this product a try. It is just a beautiful aloe gel formulation. I'm not a huge fan of these Innisfree or these aloe vera gels that you get in the market, because they're just full of fragrance and colors, but this one is so good. I personally use it with my mask, but you can also use it as a moisturizer. And yes, Sebamed Face Care Gel is another good option. People who have oily and very reactive skin, they cannot tolerate too many ingredients. That product is also niacinamide free, so you might want to give it a try. This one I have tried personally. I haven't tried the Pond's, the Neutrogena version that is available in India personally, but apart from this, I have tried all these products, and these are just my honest recommendations. I am trying my best to include as many products as I can, but still I lean more towards Korean products, because to be honest with you, brands like Lakme, Biotique and stuff don't appeal to me, and I'm really not going to use their products. So that is all I have for you guys today. I'll see you next time. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you like my videos, then please consider subscribing. I will see you next time. Bye.